Hey there, digital artists, how are you? Sorry I can't be with you today. Today, you guys are working on your Photoshop portraits. Behind me, we have a Kahinde Wiley. I had my judging this morning, and well, it's the day before today. And now I'm at the art museum. So, I didn't do anything over spring break, so this is for me. So anyways, today, we're working on Adobe Photoshop. In the Digital Art Lab, you guys are going to continue working on your self-portraits or your portraits of your friends or your families or your pets. One of the things that I really want you guys to focus on is that you're using as many brushes, as many techniques, as many colors, as many approaches to this project as you can. You're going to get better at this, and I know some of you are frustrated and easily frustrated, and that's okay. As you continue to work on these, keep in mind your use of layers. It's important that you work not on the original photograph, and I know some of you did that already, but rather working on different layers in Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to save as you're going along and never save over that original photograph. Save as you're going along in case the computer has an issue and you have to reboot. It happens. But other than that, you got work time today. Friday I'll be back, so if you had any problems, you can stop and ask me. Other than that, that's about it. Use your time wisely. We don't have a lot of time on this project as we're going to be moving forward shortly. Lots and lots of ideas. Remember, 300 ppi, 8 by 10 if you haven't already cropped it, so we can print it. And lastly, if you haven't selected a piece for the Mary Horde Art Show, make sure that you do that and sign up online. I've got a link on our website today for you to do that. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know how to email me, shoot me a note. That would be great. I'll get back to you. Otherwise, that's it. Have a great day in the Digital Arts Lab. And I'll see you when I see you. Bye.